Société Générale Carte keep e-Visa Premier app. The pros, the cons. If you hold a Société Générale Visa Premier card, the app promises seamless management of your premium banking services, but how effective is it in practice? One of the biggest pros is convenience. Most people get this wrong by thinking premium cards are just for rewards. With this app, you can track transactions, view statements, set travel alerts, and manage card limits instantly. It also provides access to exclusive offers, travel insurance details, and concierge services. Another advantage is security. The app features biometric login, real-time transaction alerts, and the ability to freeze your card instantly if lost or stolen, giving you peace of mind for both local and international spending. However, there are cons. Some users report occasional, slow loading times or minor glitches when accessing statements or benefits. Additionally, while the app is comprehensive, some advanced services like in-depth investment tracking still require contacting your banker. In conclusion, the Société Générale Carte CP Visa Premier app is a powerful companion for premium cardholders. The surprising truth is that while it simplifies everyday banking and enhances security, it complements, rather than replaces, personalized banking advice and services. For cardholders seeking convenience, control, and real-time monitoring, this app delivers significant value. But keep in mind that certain complex banking needs still benefit from direct interaction with your advisor.